Hi there, this is a review of this Hamilton Beach FlexCook Crockpot. It's 6 quarts, it has a removable, okay, first let me tell you, I have 3 things that I like the most about this crockpot compared to the one that I got as a wedding gift in 1994. If you're a Gen Xer, you can picture that it was blue and white with flowers and a plastic lid. Okay, well that's one of the things I like the most about this one. It has a glass lid, dishwasher safe, doesn't turn colors like the plastic ones did back in the day. Okay, and then this one is programmable, but I generally use the manual side and I'm gonna put it on low. The second thing I love about it is that when this is done, I can turn it to warm and keep my food warm, but it's not continuing to cook on low, which is pretty hot compared to warm. And then I like this part too, that you can take this out and wash it. So I have my roast in here. I'm gonna put this together, put the lid on. If I was gonna take it to a potluck, I could latch it and lock it, although it's not recommended that you lock it while you're cooking. But if you have to go somewhere, we don't have the situation where the chili is on the floor anymore in the car because this latches securely. So there you have it. 10 out of 10 recommend this crock pot. I love it. I love having dinner ready in the morning for when I get done work at the end of the day. I don't have to think about it. It's really such a great value.